So we have our first piece of Star Wars news surrounding the Han Solo anthology film, and this is the timeline from when it is set. So it was announced today that the Han Solo anthology film will be set 10 years prior to the events of the original Star Wars or A New Hope. And for a little bit of reference, Harrison Ford was 34 years old during the filming of the first Star Wars movie, which means roughly we will be looking for a 24-year-old actor around that area to play the new Han Solo in this new movie. Now, of course, they can hire a older actor and have them appear younger and still play Han Solo, but honestly, I think that this rules out Chris Pratt, since the actor is currently 36 years of age. So let's stop talking about ages for a second and let's talk about what this means. What was going on 10 years before the events of A New Hope, excuse me. So at this point in time, the Empire has been around for roughly a decade, give or take. So we know that they will really be in the swing of things. They're going to be a big power in the universe, obviously, and a big question that I would like to see here is, will we be seeing some stormtroopers, which are clones, or have they gotten to the point where there are now more regular people, regular soldiers in the stormtrooper armor rather than just clones? I think that would be something pretty cool to explore, because obviously if it's set during the time when the Empire is a very prominent force in the galaxy, stormtroopers are more than likely to appear in this new movie. This also gives us roughly the age of Boba Fett in the new movie, which means that he'll really be in his prime during the events of the Han Solo anthology film, and we know Han Solo and Boba Fett had run into each other before, and I'm looking forward to seeing those two go at it in this new movie. So anyway, guys, leave your thoughts in the comments down below. What do you guys think about the time period this Han Solo movie is set in? Like I said, roughly 10 years before the events of A New Hope. So we're going to meet a very different Han Solo character, because he definitely goes through an arc in the original trilogy. We're definitely going to be seeing the more Han shooting first personality off of Han Solo in this new anthology film. So anyway, guys, what do you guys think about it? May the Force be with you, and have a great day.